Hello everyone, and welcome to my presentation. I am Vidya Samadi from Clemson University, and I am the lead PI of Human AI Teaming for Flood Evacuation Decision-Making Project that NSF blessed us in 2021. I have collaborated from UT Austin and Brigham Young University and many stakeholders from Emergency Management Division, Community Emergency Response Team, or CERD, and more than 20 municipalities in Low County, South Carolina that are involved in this project through Clemson Extension Program. As part of this project, we propose to promote real-time decision-making in complex and time-critical environments such as Low County, South Carolina, where almost always flood, and increase understanding of fundamental technology and social science dimensions of human AI teaming system, and create a smart and connected community of HAT user and decision makers. As part of this project, we created and developed a pilot HAT system. We are still working on this project. We got no cost extension, and during next 11 months, we continue enhancing these pilot tools in order to make it ready for the IRG proposal. So the problem that we addressed by this tool and in this project was major flooding in Low County, South Carolina, in underserved and rural communities where we always have flooding issue. In roads gets flooded because roads in this region didn't build high enough to accumulate water flow under and around them. So this is the reason they get flooded. And there were lack of sophisticated real-time flood evacuation tools that we created a HAT system. We are hoping this tool would be very useful because it is inspired by the end user and the stakeholder, and we are incorporating their needs and their functionality into the tool. We interview insert volunteer, and we'll continue our interviewing process and develop the pilot tools and enhance it and understand the fundamental technology challenge associated with HAT development. We also building our team with the stakeholder in order to write our IRG proposals and better understand their needs when we develop our advanced HAT system. During next 11 months, we continue our interview process. We integrate transportation network and with other map services and API into the tool. We study the challenges associated with human dimensions of flood evacuation decision-making. We work on the improving usability of the tools and better test the tools. But during our HAT project, this research has taught us the importance of thinking differently about the stakeholder involvement. So this value, that's how we develop a user-friendly tools that design around the specific needs of the user and the stakeholder, will be embedded in our IRG proposal, and we will make this tool user-friendly and simple for them to use. So during the performance of this project, we learned two different lessons. In interview process, we learned that the flood informational needs, flood evacuation informational needs of the publics and community are very different from the needs of emergency manager and evacuation planners. Member of community, they are looking for something very quick, simple for them to tell them about whether they should evacuate or not. Where is the safest place for them to take their family? But emergency manager and evacuation planner are more technical. They care more about the data and research-based prediction that provide the early intelligence and accurate information to them that will help them to keep the community they serve safe. And these two perspectives give us two different approaches, which will embed it in our IRG proposal. We also learned that incorporating human dimension into the HAT system is still a challenge, but we are working on that to address it in our IRG proposal. Thank you very much for your attention, and I'll see many of you in the PI meeting. Have a great day.